Jeff the truck driver. I'll be your guide in this amazing world of trucks and buses. Here comes the first vehicle. It's a garbage truck. Wipers, horn, headlamps, wheel, lifting arm. Tap me to hear more about it. It is a concrete mixer truck. Headlamps, wipers, revolving drum, this is a school bus. Wipers, door opened, headlamps, windows, this is a dump truck. Wipers, headlamps, fuel tank, open box bed is raised. This is an ambulance. Headlamps, wipers, fuel tank, flashing lights on. This is a fire truck. Wipers, mirror, ladder raised, ladder lowered, self-contained breathing apparatus, axe, Halligan bar and gear bag, fire hoses and extinguishers, flashing lights. This is a tow truck. Wipers, headlamps, fuel tank, wheel lift. This is a step van. Wipers, headlamps, sliding doors. It is a beverage truck. Wipers, headlamps, sliding doors, sliding doors, sliding doors, sliding doors. It is a transit bus. Door opened. Wipers, headlamps, windows, door opened. Roof,